welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the brand new 2025 Suzuki RM50, Suzuki's latest entry into the mini moto scene, designed especially for young riders just starting their journey on two wheels. If you're a parent looking to introduce your child to the world of dirt biking, or you're just curious about what makes this little machine so special, stick around. This mini bike may be small in size, but it brings some big-time features to the table. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Suzuki RM50 continues the iconic RMZ styling, borrowing visual cues from its bigger motocross siblings. It features bold yellow graphics, sharp body lines, and an aggressive front number plate that gives it a real race-ready look. From the very first glance, it's clear Suzuki isn't treating this as a toy, it's a legit little moto machine. Now, let's talk performance. The RM50 is powered by a 49cc, air-cooled, two-stroke engine. This tried and true engine setup gives young riders that snappy throttle response and the sound we all know and love from a two-stroke. It's tuned for beginner-friendly power delivery, meaning it won't overwhelm new riders, but still gives enough excitement to keep them coming back for more. The transmission is a 3-speed manual with an automatic clutch. That's right, and no need to worry about stalling or tricky clutch work. Young riders can focus on learning throttle control and shifting without the added complexity of managing a clutch lever. It's a perfect setup for building confidence before graduating to full manual bikes. Let's get into the chassis and suspension. The 2025 RM50 uses a lightweight steel frame that strikes a balance between strength and flexibility. It's designed to take the bumps and jumps of off-road riding without beating up the rider. The front forks offer about 100 mm of travel, while the rear monoshock gives a smooth, predictable ride on various surfaces, from backyard trails to mild track use. When it comes to braking, safety is a top priority. The RM50 is equipped with drum brakes front and rear. While they're not as flashy as discs, drum brakes offer progressive stopping power that's ideal for young riders who are still learning the ropes. Seat height is about 22 inches, making it accessible to most kids around 4 to 8 years old, depending on height and skill level. The bike weighs approximately 85 pounds, which means it's easy to pick up if it tips over, and manageable for small riders to maneuver on their own. One of the coolest features is the throttle limiter screw. This allows parents to control how much throttle the rider can use, letting you start them slow and gradually give them more power as their skills improve. It's a great feature that adds a layer of safety and peace of mind. Fuel-wise, the RM50 has a small tanker just under a gallon, but that's plenty for short trail rides and practice sessions. It runs on a standard two-stroke mix, so keep that pre-mix handy. Now, in terms of maintenance, Suzuki made this bike pretty simple. It's easy to work on, with accessible components and a minimalistic design. Perfect for teaching kids how to do basic maintenance like chain checks, air filter cleaning, and even oiling the chain. It's a good entry point not just for riding, but for learning mechanical skills too. So, who is the 2025 Suzuki RM50 for? It's for parents who want a high-quality, entry-level dirt bike with real performance and solid build quality. It's for kids who are ready to start riding and want something that feels like a real motocross bike. And it's for families who value safety, reliability, and fun. That wraps up our full look at the 2025 Suzuki RM50. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments so would you get one of these for your young rider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more two-wheel content.